So real quick, we're going to run through this tech sheet just so you get an idea for what is required for doing an HPD with SCDA. First, you need a Snell 2010 or newer helmet. So here's my helmet. This is a race helmet. Pretty expensive, but you can get a Snell 2010, 2015 helmet for 150, 200 bucks. Tow hooks installed if you have them. So basically, you go into the toolkit of the car, you pop out the little tab here, just screw your tow hook in. Just helps, if you get stuck in the mud or something, helps them pull you out faster. Brake lights, fully operational. Have a friend hit your brakes, make sure your brake lights come on. Big thing, no loose items in the car. So you'll notice inside this car, from this rag, everything is cleared out. There's no cups in the cup holder, there's nothing on the dash, there's nothing in the back. The hatch, it's completely clean. So there's nothing that's going to be banging around, nothing's going to hit the driver, wedge under the brake pedal. Okay, so wheel bearings take a lot of stress on the track. So one thing you can do is shake the wheel. So basically you grab the wheel and you shake it. If you hear any sort of knocking or clunking, that could indicate a bad wheel bearing. Tire pressures, so you're going to want to make sure your tire pressures aren't too high. They're at the appropriate setting. Most people should know how to do that. Lug Nuts Torque, so you want to take a torque wrench and you want to go around and just make sure all the lugs on the car. Engine compartment, so let's go pop the hood on this car real quick. This car, here's the battery here. Shake it, make sure that thing's tied down. You can see the foot plate right here is completely mounting that battery solid down to the car. What you don't want is like a bungee cord or something like that, allowing just the battery to move. Check your fluids, check your engine oil, coolant, power steering, all your basic fluids. That's just for the life of your car. Brake fluid is a separate item. You actually want to look at the color of the brake fluid. So you can see this brake fluid is like a nice clean gold color. It's not dirty, it's not brown or black. And if the car is, this car is 2017, but any car that's a little bit older, you want to know when the brake fluid was changed last. You want a complete flush. You don't want old brake fluid sitting in the car because brake fluid is hydroscopic, sucks in water basically, just from the atmosphere, and its boiling point lowers and lowers and lowers the more water it pulls in. To the point where you get on the brakes at the track, you get the brakes really warm, and then you will lose your brake pedal because you will boil the brake fluid. So you want to make sure that the seatbelts are in good order and that your driver's held in properly, no fraying or ripping of the seatbelts, and that the ratchet is actually grabbing the driver, when you need be. That's about it. That's all it takes to tech your car to come to drive it out on track.